A science team from Europe has tapped into a secret after 50 years of study: stem cell therapy with no side effects using plant technology. Here are some amazing results witnessed by our Pole Connoisseur Club.
Hello, I want to tell you how wonderful this little container of salve that's called iRevive is. I've been using it for my face, and I'm close to 70 years old. In fact, I'm 69. And I've been watching the lines on around my lips diminish. I've been watching the deep, because I was squinting so much in the sun and around my eyes. They're going away. You can see it for yourself. It's right here on the camera. The pores in my face are getting smaller. But not only that, this amazing thing happened. I'm outside a lot, and I have a lot of blackberries. And I was out, and I got my hands caught in a blackberry bush, just picking blackberries. I had scratches all over me. And I thought, well, you know, they're saying this could really help with things like that. So I went in the house, and I put iRevive on these scratches. They were already starting to welt up, because I welt up really easily. And I knew the next day I was going to have like welts and maybe even some infection. When I got up the next morning, all those scratches was like it never happened. And I don't have any scars on my hands from it. It was just amazing. So I can't recommend it enough. I mean, you can use it for your face, or you can use it for something that happens to your skin. It's just amazing. I recommend iRevive to revive your skin.
The product itself is awesome. I've noticed that my skin feels softer, and the lines around my eyes are less defined. The lines on my forehead are getting better. The lines around my mouth are getting better. Yeah, overall, I think iRevive is a really good way to try to attack the aging process that we all experience in our skin. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope you try it.
So I've been using iRevive ever since it came out, and I have a scar on my arm from a burn. So I've been applying it 2 or 3 times a day for all this time, and I've lost track of how many months that is, but it's made an amazing, significant difference in reducing the scar and turning the tissue back into normal tissue. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So, that's the biggest test that I've been giving it so far, but I've been doing it diligently.
Okay, hi, my name's Patrick. Anyway, I'm here to talk about iRevive. My wife, and I'm sorry about this part of it, she had polyp on her throat, had to have radiation therapy. So they put this beautiful thing all over her to hold her down, radiate her, until the first layer of skin totally fell off and became yellow fluff, horrible. And then when she went to rebuild it, it was amazing that she actually got some first layer of skin back on, but she couldn't touch it, she couldn't wash it. She only could use the original medicine they gave her to put it back together. But it was horrible. It's like she couldn't put cream on it, there's nothing she could put on it, until I got some iRevive. And I gave it to her. It was the first thing she was ever able to touch to her skin, to the point where she could shower and touch and put other creams on it. It's phenomenal. Totally life-changing. So thank you very much. That's all.
This time I'd like to share about the skin stem cell product that we use, the stem cell cream that you apply to your skin, iRevive. It is amazing. It's great for just renewing your skin and making you look younger and fresher and wonderful. And it's also good for any kind of cuts and scars and, pimples. I remember working in the backyard in my garden, and I was out late one evening, and I think I got bitten by some insect. I don't know what it is, but I had pimples all over my arm. And I applied some of the iRevive to it, and the itchiness stopped immediately. And the pimple disappeared. If you look on my arm, there's absolutely no evidence of it. And I'm like, wow. Prior to this, I'd have a bump that would stay for a long time as a result of being bitten. I thank God for our Hercules, iRevive, new extracts, the iRevive cream, stem cell cream, and I'd recommend this highly to any and everyone who needs it. Thanks.
Get back with the person who shared this info with you to learn how you can get started on your journey towards corpus novus, a new body, from the inside out and the outside in. Our unique exclusive technology is one of a kind, the new direction in a chance to live a longer life with a reverse aging element that uses no dangerous chemicals, synthetics, or additives, safe for all and completely biocompatible. Learn today what we mean by pour les connoisseurs. Experience isn't the best teacher, it is the only teacher.